Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can watch live football matches on mobile. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open any browser and search here Sky Sports. Okay, and then you need to click on the first website, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right, and then you need to click on sports, and here you need to click on football, and here you need to scroll down, and here you can see the live football matches. You can see that it will be live on Friday 7 p.m. So how you can watch that? You simply need to go up and click on three bars and click on Get Sky Sports, and here you can see the option of you can accept all, and here you can see the option of Get Sky Sports Premier League and Sky Sports Football together for just £18 extra a month. You simply need to upgrade to Sky Sports. Once you upgrade, you can simply easily watch matches on your mobile phone. So this is a process by which you can watch football matches on your mobile phone. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.